I hear a train from Jamaica to Spionk. This is my last eastbound train horn sound. I won't do it anymore eventually. This is my last video of the eastbound. And then I can do, you guys see the westbound. After eastbound, then westbound coming. But that's gonna be nighttime. It's a K5LL horn. K5L horn. I'll try not, I'm not showing you my house. And once when I did that, I accidentally showed it. I noticed that. I didn't even see it. Well, I didn't know. Oh, shoot. Oh, no. Oh boy, this is gonna be a risk. This is gonna be a risk. No, there. This is nice. It's with 4 cars and 1 diesel. Looks like it's here. I can hear it. I hear it coming here. Oh, that was close. I almost showed it. Oh, this is gonna be a risk. I think it's gone. Bye-bye.